I chose the evening classes so that because it's well with my daytime schedule and it gives me perfect and constant studying time.
Kwanza mimi navutiwa kufundishwa na walimu ambao ni loko pia, yani ni Watanzania ambao wabobezi katika Kichina.
I've been supporting my student to teach them Chinese because for now there are a large demand of students or the people who can speak Chinese, who they can work with Chinese companies.
Not only the Chinese company need Tanzanian people with Chinese background, but also some units in Tanzania government. I think there's a big market for these students. Confucius Institute just act as a bridge for these two ends.